So we're staying at Gimbal House at Animal Kingdom Lodge. Let's go check out the room. So when you first walk in, there's a full-length mirror here so you can check out how you look on the way out. And there's also a closet here, which just has an ironing board and an iron, and that's it, nothing else. Pretty basic there. And then we'll move over here to a little kitchenette area. You got your coffee maker, got a toaster, microwave, ice bucket. Up here you have some, looks like, yeah, utensils. And let's see what's up in this one. Paper towels. And then down here you have your little mini fridge and your trash and recyclables and fire extinguisher if needed. And that's your cute little area, your kitchenette. Oh, and you see the little animals here, the details in the tile, which is really cute. I don't know, that's a rhinoceros and a zebra, I'm assuming. So across from the kitchenette is the bathroom. And over here is your double sink, like vanity with mirrors so people can get ready here. We got a makeup mirror here, which is nice. Also we have the African inspired mirror. And look at, I think this might be a very hidden Mickey here. You see that? Very hidden Mickey. And then they have these nice sconces here as well. They're really nice. And I don't think these drawers open up, no. So over here, you have your tub and your toilet combo. Nice colorful curtain and colorful tile. And looks like, is that a rain shower? No, not really. But then you have your soaps, your typical soaps from the H2O collection. So you have that, so you don't have to bring your own stuff. So over here is the main sleeping area. And right here you have a little bench, which is a great place to put on your shoes or put your things down, and it also has a drawer for storage, which is pretty cool. Put some of your clothes in there. And then right here is an armoire, which has your safe, some hangers, extra pillow and blanket, and your blow dryer in there. And a luggage rack for your suitcase. Pretty cool. Little armoire, keeps that stuff in there. Over here, we have the bureau, which has 4 drawers, and then some big area down here. I don't know, you can put a whole suitcase down under there. That's pretty big. That's storage. Oh, close myself in there. So our name, welcome here. And there's some UBS sports, what do they call? And then also the book, the Disney Conservation Fund. So you can look at that book while you're sitting out on the balcony. And over here we have your little seating area, African inspired. Look at the mirror with the details and the, looks like lizards maybe. It's pretty cool. Nice little lights there, sconces. Then over here we have some benches and I guess the sleeper sofa that will come out to be a bed. And also some designs. It looks like, actually it looks like rug. That is, like they cut a piece of the rug and put it in the frame. Which is interesting, but it goes with the theme. And over here, oh look at these, some burlap sconces, which is interesting. We also have some more USB ports here and plugs for charging. A little, you get your Gideon's Bible. And look at this. This headboard is pretty cool. It's like carved African. And then they got this nice tapestry above it. Pretty cool. It looks like a queen bed. And then underneath, I don't think there's any storage or anything. Nope. And then we have the map of Africa over there, which is really cool. Like that. Interesting. So you see where all the countries are in Africa. Pretty neat. So the piece of resistance is we're in a Savanna View room. So we get to sit up here and look at the savannah, which is really cool. And I see a bunch of wildebeest lying down there and sunning themselves. And we got some Looks like pelicans down there. Very cool. So this is our view from the Savanna View room that we're staying in. It's pretty neat. It's you can see over there is the lobby, so it's a pretty far walk from the lobby, but it seems nice and quiet. I think we're going to see a lot of animals. We're here for 2 days, so we'll be able to check this out a lot so we can see more animals. I think it's going to be lots of fun. There is a lot more animals that we can see off in the distance, but it's hard to see on the camera. I can see a giraffe's legs through the trees over there on the road, and also further way past the wildebeest I could see zebra. So we're gonna keep coming out here every once in a while and try to see if we can film more animals. As we're here for 2 days, so hopefully we'll be able to see all of them at different times. This is going to be a great spot for my coffee in the morning, maybe a coffee in the evening, and maybe a coffee at lunchtime, to come out here and just enjoy this view. Nice, relaxing, beautiful weather we're having. So I'm going to really enjoy myself, and I hope the family does as well. So I hope you enjoy our tour of our Savanna DVC studio room. We're going to be here a couple of days. We're looking forward to seeing a lot more animals, enjoying our little stay here. So if you like this video, consider giving us a like and consider subscribing as well. We'd love you to be part of our crew. So, well, that being said, we'll see you next time. Bye!